Welcome to the fascinating world of Pi Day. From math and science to delicious pies, this day is packed with excitement and celebration. Pi is a mathematical constant that expresses the ratio of a circle's circumference to its diameter. It's a key element in physics, astronomy, engineering, and more, dating back thousands of years. Pi is crucial for everything from calculating orbits and rocket propulsion to determining the size of paper rolls and tanks used in various industries. It's even used by NASA on a daily basis. From mental math bingo to free pizza, pies, and of course indulging in delicious pies, Pi Day is celebrated with fun and recognition of the importance of math in our lives. March 14th also marks the birthday of the legendary physicist Albert Einstein, adding another layer of significance to this special day. So whether you're a math enthusiast or just someone who loves a good slice of pie, Pi Day is a time to celebrate, have fun, and recognize the impact of math and science in our lives.